Rod J checking in, Get Paid Network, and we are headed out to meet up with my new business partners, and we have actually partnered in Airbnb, so we're about to get some video footage of the Airbnb that we've picked up. It's a little bit different than you think though, so we're about to head down and take a look at it. It's not your average Airbnb. Let's take a look. We're in. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555, or you can check us out online, ridebuyscash.com. So we are coming around the corner to my second unit completed Airbnb, and I'm gonna get some quick footage of it. Hold on right fast. There I go. Nope, no call. Alright, so we're headed to the unit. We're gonna get some quick footage to show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna go from there. As you see, it's a nice long hallway. Come on. Gotta have a before and after video. So if you're watching this current video, make sure you like and subscribe, because we're going to have some more great content, some more stuff that you wouldn't have believed you could have did, wouldn't have believed this is going to happen. So definitely don't miss this. If you got some questions, comment below and we're going to handle your questions. We'll do some more content, more videos about the questions that you have. So comment below and like and subscribe. So it's smart how we did it, because our unit, you kind of have to walk in and cut a little bit. And then I got a nice little code. And voila, the door opens. And we have reached the unit. So let's see what we got. Cut the light on. This is the completed AirBNB unit. Snacks, everything set up nicely. Nice dining room table, living area, patio, bedrooms, of course, one bedroom. I have another bedroom back here, so we'll start over this way. So as you see, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. We have a full bathroom. And bedroom. Huge closets. Flat screen TVs, patio outside. See the patio from the room. If you want to take a look at the patio. Patio with a nice table. In case you want to come sit outside. Flat screen TV. The master bedroom, plush as can be. Master bathroom. Yep. Yep, we did that with a fashion. I can't say fashion, I'm sorry. We did that with a decorator. We used a decorator. Not really fashion designer, but decorator. So yeah, so this is how we got the unit set up. It's ready to go. And it's so cool on how we have everything set up. We can control the locks and everything from our phones and from apps. So yeah, if you don't understand how this works, you definitely need to pay attention, because we got a lot more coming about this. So we about to head out of the unit, and we might run past the next one just so I can show you some video of that one, because I haven't put that one out yet as far as video, because as soon as we completed it, it started getting rented, so things kind of didn't go so well with that one. But I have some beginning footage of this one before we got this one finished. Of course, you guys probably seen that one, that footage, and now you see what a completed project looks like. And you have to see the completed project of the first one, because the first one, like I said, I haven't shown you that one yet. But anyhow, the first one's a 1 bedroom, 2 bath, I think. Maybe it's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Yeah, I think it's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. This is 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So that's how it is. Gotta get it. Anyhow, Rod J, checking out. See you in a little bit.